Yes. Yes. Individual differences, differentiated instruction ability grouping. CTET paper 1, notes and question answers. Again repeated, individual differences and differentiated instruction ability grouping. CTET paper 1, notes and question answers. We are going to discuss today meaning, types, pedagogical ways, educational implication. We are different in one way or other. We are differ in our way of living things looking. In diversity there is beauty and there is strength. Individual differences. We all are different in multiple ways and these differences can be understood. It terms physical development, cognitive development, social development. It means gender, class, caste, religion and community. Differentiations in interested in attitude, aptitude as well. The differences based on heredity and enrollment. In the challenges for the teacher deal to the children at all the diversities. The individual differences is learner and teacher with the children to deal to the teacher with children all diversities. Next, individual differences is two types: inherited, acquired. Inherited is the physical, mental and temperamental. Acquired is the social, cultural, environmental and emotional. Effective pedagogical ways. And the pedagogical ways is the 5. Integration of context, egalitarian pedagogy, lack of prejudice, gender-free perspective, ability grouping, differentiated instructions. Way differentiated instructions are: classroom and field with students who have your different needs, come from different educational backgrounds, have different attention spans, interested, have different languages ability, have different culture background. Types of ability grouping. Within class grouping refers to dividing students in similar ability to small group. It means teachers dividing the students from similar ability groups. Small group usually used to the reading and math instructions. Between class grouping, the students are separated into different classes. Course and courses sequences are known as the track based of the student level to achievement. This is the types of ability grouping is do within class grouping, between class grouping. Next, educational implementation. Create groups with class, between class, curriculum development and pedagogy. Pedagogy is the physical differences, cognitive differences, cooperative learner. We all can learn despite or to all our differences. Let them release their full potential. Notes over. Now question answers. Regarding learner individual differences to teach should answer 1. Provide a variety of learning situations. Second question. An effective teacher in a classroom where the students come from the diverse background would Answer 2. Focus on their cultural knowledge and addresses individual differences among the group. Third question. Multilingual character of Indian society should be seen as. Answer 2. A resource for entertainment and should life. Fourth question. Children with individual differences should be taught in a school having teachers. Answer 3. Training to use it to different pedagogies to meet their diverse learner needs. Last question. Teaching learner at varying levels of the difficulties based on the ability the individual learners known as. Answer 2. Differentiated institutions. Thank you.